Hello friends, welcome to Yayasspoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. Love shrimp? You'll love my mom's recipe for shrimp scampi. This is her version of Mario Batali's recipe. It's a crowd pleaser, super easy and fast to throw together, and the most expensive ingredient will be the shrimp. I'll be cooking with my lovely mother today, so let's get to cooking. The ingredients we're using today include 16 to 20 raw deshelled deveined shrimp. We're using medium size in this video. 1 package of thin spaghetti, or you can use linguine, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of parsley finely chopped, 3/4 cup of white wine, something you'd actually drink, 1/2 cup of seafood or shrimp broth. It's optional, but it does give an amazing layer of flavor, 2 fresh lemons and zest of 1/2 lemon, red pepper flakes for taste, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Get started by preparing the pasta according to the package instructions for al dente. Also be sure to reserve around 1/2 cup of the pasta water once it's done. The pasta water is starchy and will help the sauce stick better to the pasta. Mince the garlic by removing the skins first, then set it aside. Slice the lemon and juice it. She's using her nifty juicer, but if you don't have one, that's fine, just squeeze them. Today, we're using fresh lemons from her lemon tree. They are extra juicy. So go ahead and set the juice and zest aside for now. Measure the 1/4 cup of white wine and set that aside too. Now it's time to saute the shrimp. Add the olive oil to a pan to heat. Then add the shrimp and stir gently. Add salt to the shrimp. Once the shrimp is pink, you can remove it and set it aside in a separate bowl for the next step. You don't want to overcook the shrimp because it will be too chewy. Be sure to save some of the juice in the pan. We'll be using that. Back to the pan, add the minced garlic. Add butter to saute the garlic. You can add the butter first, then the garlic. Add the lemon juice and zest. Then add the seafood broth, parsley, and white wine and stir together. Now it's time to add the shrimp back to the pan to finish cooking for a couple more minutes. Careful not to overcook the shrimp, says Mom. Add the pepper flakes and the reserved pasta water. She reserved about 1/2 cup. Once the shrimp is cooked, add the pasta a little bit at a time to the pan to toss with the shrimp. Oh, it smells as wonderful as it looks. You can serve the shrimp scampi straight from the pan to save on cleanup time, or place it in a large serving bowl like we have here with a drizzle of olive oil on top, and now it's ready to serve up. Oh, mamma mia, full of flavor and tastes perfect, so fresh and light. Adding the seafood broth definitely gave it an added layer of flavor. Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Love you.
Okay.
Enjoy. It's perfect. It's delicious.
Yes.
Remember, sharing is caring. Enjoy, guys. You got this, and God bless. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. And feel free to leave any comments or questions, and please let me know if you decide to try the recipe.